my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I just hope that you all are doing absolutely fine. As you have read the title, today we are going to do the in-depth knowledge about the bronzer and the contouring, and you can see this side of my face is the bronzer and side of my face is the contour. And if you want to learn how to bronze or how to contour or want to know a major difference between these two things, so please keep on watching. Let's jump into the today's video. Jumping onto the practical thing, let's talk about something scientific about contouring and bronzing. Like contouring and bronzing are vast definitions and has a lot of difference. Basically, contouring means sculpturing your face, enhancing the features and cutting down the excess fat that we have on our face, and it just gives you illusion of the slim face. As I have applied the foundation, you can see that my natural skin tone is gone, and now I basically have to give dimension to my face, and at that time I will use 2 to 3 shades darker my powder contour or the cream contour or liquid contour. I can use these 3 things to just give dimension to my face back, and my flat face will turn into my 3D face. Okay, so this is the contouring thing, and now it is the bronzing thing. Bronzing is just giving a sun-kissed look, as we have heard a lot about this sun-kissed look. Sun-kissed means when the sunlight strikes on our face and the features that has been enhanced during that time is called the sun-kissed look. And bronzer shades are like in somehow orangish tone. According to me, bronzer should be applied just within the blusher, like to give more cherished look or chiseled look. So according to me, bronzer should be applied in that way, but everyone has its own way. I have applied a foundation and no powder, nothing, foundation and concealer. My face is flat. Today I will show you like this part and this part, like this will be a proper contour and this will be a bronzer look. Okay, as there are many products, contouring can be done with a powder contour, liquid contour, cream contour. If you want like a proper diminished look on your face, you first have to use the cream contour. Okay, set it with the powder, and the cream contour you have to set with the bronzer. You can use these two things like a cream contour and a bronzer to have that. As you know that everyone has its own face shape, so you just google it and उसमें आप पहचानो कि आपका कौन सा फेस शेप है. उस हिसाब से if you will apply the contour, blusher, highlighter, your face will be more attractive and more chiseled and more slim. Tell me, what is my face shape? Most of the people will think my face is round, but it is not true. My face is square. Like you can see it is not exact square, but it is square face. So let me show you the face shapes. Now it is focusing and you can see these, there are like these are few face shapes, but people has a lot of different face shape. You have to contour according to that. First of all, product doesn't matter. Whatever you have, you can definitely use that. For my contour, I am using this MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette in the shade medium deep, and I will take this shade. You can see this is proper contour shade. I will start from this part of my ear, like a starting part of my ear, and I will take like in between my always make sure that whenever you have your small like forehead, don't contour your forehead. Okay, avoid that. Now taking it like this and applying on my jawline. ये ना हो कि आप jawline के बिल्कुल नीचे लगाओ और बिल्कुल ऊपर लगाओ. Just apply on the jawline. These are the areas where you have to contour your face. There you can use the sponge to blend this, or either you can use the brush. So I always prefer using my beauty blender because it gives more blended look, and ये नहीं होगा कोई harsh line होगा, and I will slightly start blending it. So while blending your contour, don't drag it. ऐसे मत करना. Take time and blend it very seamlessly. And you can see that my contour is blending very easily. like no efforts are there. My contour is fully done and now it's time for the nose contour. So let me contour my face. The thing I always do, I just make these two lines and I make one line this side. Okay, to give the illusion of small nose. Now again, take a very slight tip and blend it. Again, never drag your blender while blending your contour. See, my face is done. The next step you have to do, you just take your loose powder or you can use the compact, whatever you just like it. Okay, now I have to set my under eyes too. Now it's time to see there koi bhi udhar crease line now. Okay, before setting, taking my powder with the same beauty blender and applying it. जब भी मैंने कंसीलर वगैरह लगाया था, I will apply on that area too. So this is the technique that I each time do. Each time, like seriously, I each time do this technique. Basically, when I have done my contour, like वो ये यहाँ पर लगाया और यहाँ पर मैंने contour किया है. Okay, this part मतलब थोड़ा सा mix ना हो to have more sharpened look or have like full illusion of my slim face. I do this step. I apply my loose powder beneath my this area of my ear and have that straight look, because ये अलग हो जाए और ये अलग हो जाए, to have that clean look and to give the illusion. I always do this step. और सिर्फ वही parts अब बाकी रहते हैं जहाँ पर मैंने loose powder नहीं लगाया, जहाँ I have applied that contour. The contour I always love is this Forever 52 contour palette, and the contour palette is only for those people who just have to do daily makeups. Like I use this color a lot. Like this goes with Indian skin tone very well, and I always use this shade. बाकी की पैलेट बिल्कुल वेस्ट पड़ी है. You are the only person in the house who have to do the makeup. Just buy a single packaging. That will be more than enough for you. To use these type of angular brush while applying your powder contour, but I always love to use this type of brush. Like this is the round brush, and I just believe that it is more easier for me to blend my contour, powder contour, or most of the people use this also, and you can definitely use this. So first I always use this type of brushes. You can use these type of palettes too, but as I have applied the cream contour, and if I will use this powder contour on top of that, it will look more heavier, और मतलब proper पता लगेगा that you have applied a lot of things. अगर सिर्फ foundation के बाद मतलब if you have to do powder contour, then you can go with these type of powder contour. If you have used the cream contour, then try to apply the bronzer on top of that, because bronzers are like थोड़ा सा lighter in shades और थोड़ा सा light होता है. And bronzer I love is this Hoola Benefit bronzer. You can see the difference. Okay, this bronzer have very cool tone and this powder contour is more deeper side. Okay, जब भी सिर्फ powder contour करना है, you can go with this. अगर cream contour के साथ करना है, you can go with this cool tones. Okay, done the cream contour, I will use this bronzer. Taking my bronzer, I want के एक ही जगह पर हमारा प्रोडक्ट लग जाए. Remove the excess always. Rounder motions में हमेशा लगाओ to have no harsh lines. Just this much simple. With this, just take a beauty blender and tap to have no harsh line और कहीं भी extra product लग गया to remove that. Taking my powder brush and removing my powder. Small forehead. Okay, take your bronzer, बिल्कुल light hand से take your bronzer and apply on your hairline because whenever we have applied the foundation, this tone and this tone is somehow very different. This is more on the brighter darker side होती है. So take the bronzer and बिल्कुल hair line के close just apply it, कि कुछ भी लगे ना कि we have applied a lot of foundation or we have done a lot of layering. Do this step always. You can see this look is done. For the nose contour you can use small brush like this brush, like ये बड़ा angular brush था and this is the smaller angular brush, to have more stability on your hands and to have more blended look. Or मतलब if you don't particularly have any this type of brush, simply take the same contour brush, squeeze it like this, like just use like this and have this. No specific for this product, for this step you have to use this brush, nothing. मतलब अपना जो भी आपके मन में, you can use that, but just use the right technique, nothing else. Never मतलब ये ना हो कि आप करो yeah done ये no. If you're doing your work with more precision, it will have more good output. Definitely done with my nose contour. So my this side is fully done. Like now doing my this side of the bronzer. Basically when you have to do your bronzer look or when you have to do that sun-kissed look, always try to use the compact and always try to be like very lightweight, like foundation lightweight, concealer lightweight, compact. And if you want कि हाँ we have to do the foundation but we have to be somehow sun-kissed look and you want everything full coverage, then you can definitely go with the powders, but technically use the compacts. The compact I am going to use is from the MAC. Taking my powder brush and it will be more lightweighted and bronzer लगा रहे हैं. Bronzer के लिए you want a lightweight look, क्योंकि if you have done the bronzer it means you are doing a lightweight look. My face is done. Now let's do the bronzer thing. I have already told you that whenever you apply the bronzer, try to apply with the blusher. Take my blusher and my bronzer in one brush and in one go. That I am going to use is from the K Beauty. Like अभी just packaging खोला है, I haven't used yet, so try भी हो जाएगा. Taking my bronzer and my blusher in one go and just applying on this part. It is giving somehow orangish look and that is the thing which we want. Whenever the sunlight hits our face, this part and our temples of our forehead, always glows. My bronzer and my blusher is done in one go. Always try and always use the beauty blender to remove any harsh line that brush has created. Taking it upwards to have more cherished look. And ये ना हो कि आप इधर ऐसे लगाओ, don't do that. Apply in upward motion. You can see that it is looking very natural. Let me complete my nose contour. My nose contour is like always incomplete without highlighter. Taking my highlighter very precisely, ये ना हो कि आप ऐसे proper कर दो. Applying on my bridge of my nose. You can see that, and my tip of my finger and applying here. बिल्कुल tip on the nose. You can see my nose is also done. Let me complete my look and I will be right back. So guys, this is my final look and you can clearly see the difference in between the bronzer and the contour. So if you want a very heavy look or you want to be look slim in the camera or in reality, go with the contouring. And if you want such a sun-kissed look and light makeup, go with the bronzer. It's up to you, whatever you like, just choose that. It's not particular. And I just hope that you like this informative video, and if you want to see these type of videos, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Until then, bye, take care.